What are the pros and cons of smoking? The pros of smoking include relaxation and the fast delivery of medicine to the bloodstream, while cons can include lung cancer, depleted oxygen in cells, and a buildup of pollutants in the body if toxic substances are selected for smoking. Nicotine-laced tobacco products are not the only substances smoked, although they are considered the most popular. Over the centuries, royalty, artists and indigenous peoples have indulged in smoking, firing up and inhaling a range of good and bad herbs for medicinal, creative, or spiritual purposes. Smoking is an expedient and aggressive way to introduce pharmaceuticals and other chemicals into the body. When someone smokes, whether a cigarette, cigar, or pipe, the chemicals in the substance are ingested and permeate every cell in the body by way of the circulatory and respiratory systems. The effects of any substance are more concentrated when ingested through smoking than when merely swallowed and digested. This is among the most significant effects of smoking. It means that toxins like nicotine have powerfully negative effects, which include coating the throat and chest with tar, but it also means a beneficial herb like mullein can deliver wellness more efficiently. When a person smokes, vapors from the substance fill up the lungs and diffuse into the membranes of the eyes, nose and mouth. After that, the vapors and residue enter the bloodstream, then the heart, and finally the body's cells. This mass diffusion allows poisons from substances like nicotine attached to taste buds on the tongue and cilia in the lungs, killing them. Toxic smoking can also induce dizziness and heart palpitations. Fits of coughing comprise another con that can plague nicotine smokers. Those wanting to embrace the upside and the pros and cons of smoking dichotomy often shift to legal, healing herbs that are sold in some tobacco shops. These herbs, which some creative artists credit for inspiration, are usually non-toxic and come in an array of flavors and scents. These herbs may have the power to ease pain and rid the body of toxins, but some can produce mildly hallucinogenic moments that can be dangerous if precautions are not taken. Many cigarette smokers wean themselves off nicotine by smoking legal herbs. The pros and cons of smoking are subjective, with many people widely disagreeing on whether any substance can be good when smoked since any form of smoking taxes the lungs. Some medical professionals even decry the use of herbs, even though they are non-additive. Cigarette users, despite knowing the dangers of lung cancer and premature aging, often still regard smoking nicotine with fondness because it has become part of their personal culture and it fulfills oral fixation needs that others soothe through behaviors like gum chewing.